Hello YouTube, this is Mitch Quick Eats. I'm happy to show you a real quick recipe for fried chicken wings. You know, you can either leave them like this, or you know how you traditionally put them behind their back like that. So we're going to take each one and tie them behind their back first. That way it's easier to cook when you have them inside the pot. Put it behind it. They can, you know, they rest themselves. Put them to rest themselves. Some of them fight, but you know, win the fight. This is better for when you fry them, believe it or not. Put it behind. Okay, all behind. This one's a little fighter. Okay, now it stays behind there like that, and it's easier to fry. These are the seasonings I'm going to be using: some garlic, hot pepper, hot sauce, mustard, honey, all-purpose seasonings, vinegar, pepper, so that way you can make a nice sauce like this when I finish frying. So now we're going to take you over to the kitchen so that way I can fry them. Okay, now we're gonna fry each chicken. Don't worry about seasoning it. Don't worry about seasoning it. You want to throw them in there so they can all fry. Yep, you gotta throw them all in there and let them all fry. Don't worry about the seasoning for right now. I'm gonna show you why we're not gonna do it now. Why we're not gonna season it now. Now I'm mixing up my honey mustard mixture. It's from mustard, honey, a little bit of vinegar, seasoning, and pepper. Mix it all up like that and just let it sit. Look how that, like this. Just let it sit until the chicken is fried. Once in a while, just check on the chicken, turn it around a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But before you cook, make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. That's pretty much it. Let it cook. We're just waiting until they get a little more brown, and then we're going to take them out when they get more brown and cook all the way. Yeah, that looks almost there though. Almost there. Okay, they're almost ready. They're a little browner. I'm going to cook them a little bit more, and they'll be ready to put my honey mustard spicy sauce on there. Alright, now you start taking them out when they're nice and brown. Yeah, nice and brown, you can take them out now. You can take them out now as they're brown and just dip them in there real quick in the seasoning you make. Just lay them on the plate. That's it. Just flip them a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Place them down on the plate when you finish. It's that easy. Take them out. Just flip them in there real quick in the special seasoning.